What is up, guys? So welcome to the Hooked on Money online channel. Thanks guys for watching. Thanks for watching for the videos. Thanks for coming. Now today I want to talk about how you can make some money with ClickFunnels and Upwork. So you've got ClickFunnels and Upwork. So if you want to start earning some money online and don't know where to start from, you're a beginner just starting out making money online, there's a course called Dream Car Profits, which is taught by Jacob Carris. Now this is an affiliate marketing course by a guy that's earning like 6 figures affiliate marketing. This guy is one of the top earners in ClickFunnels, as well as other affiliate marketing programs that he's in. So he's pretty legit, he's a pretty transparent guy. He's got a Facebook group that you guys can join once you purchase this product. It's $47, but it's going to $97 soon. So the sooner you to be going to $97 in like 12 hours, according to the emails that I got from him. I got it at 37, it went to 47, and now it's 97 US dollars. So this is a affiliate marketing program good for beginners that you guys can start from, with somebody that gives you one-on-one coaching, as well as got some tutorials inside. So it's called Dream Car Profits. You can check it out. I'm already in and I'm taking some courses and I'm doing pretty well. So I just wanted to make a quick tutorial. Don't want to make a long video, guys. This is the way you can make money with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a funnel building, sales funnels building platform. You can build sales funnels, opt-in pages, and all that good stuff. So what this does is you can learn how to build funnels, which is pretty easy. If you've heard about ClickFunnels, you know what I'm talking about. So if you want an in-depth review of how ClickFunnels is and what it does, I'll make a video about that pretty soon, one of these days. So once you come here, you wanna find jobs, like say ClickFunnels. You wanna find jobs that people are looking for. So as you can see, this guy is a ClickFunnels expert and is earning like 30k so far. Charges $2 per hour. There's some more guys here earning a lot of money off ClickFunnels. So what you wanna do is you wanna come here and look for a job. So when you come here and type in ClickFunnels and search, we'll see what's out there. So people actually posting jobs on ClickFunnels, about ClickFunnels. As you can see, ClickFunnels, fix and improve Google, develop ClickFunnels and other online sales strategies, edit my landing pages. So there's somebody looking for the landing page to be edited. This is pretty easy money, guys. You can easily make $100 a day just doing this. ClickFunnels website is pretty easy to do. So as you can see, there are a lot of jobs that you guys can pick off here and make an easy buck if you're just starting out. And you can invest that. Maybe you can buy his course, maybe you can invest in other platforms, like maybe build a website or make affiliate landing pages and stuff like that. So it's pretty much easy stuff, guys. Come ClickFunnels, build funnels for customers, and you make an easy buck. So this was just a quick tutorial, guys, just to give you an update on really what's happening with ClickFunnels. It's really growing and people want others to build funnels for them. So you can go and easily do that, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.